Hey there folks, and welcome to What App Wednesday. Today we are going to be looking at NearPod's virtual reality kits. They dropped a few of these guys off with us last week. This is a virtual reality kit that allows you to look inside if you have an iPhone 6 and see the world around you in an immersive experience. It's a pretty cool thing. Definitely does require an iPhone 6 to be in here, but we can help you out with that if needed. Without further ado, let's look at how we would actually create this experience in NearPod. And again, if you ever are curious about using NearPod or need a school account, just let me know right away and we'll help you. So I'm going to go ahead and go to Create. And this gets me into the creation interface here. Name this My Field Trip. And I'm going to create one slide because you always need at least two slides. And I'm going to create just a, here we go, slide and field trip. And there we go. So the next slide we create, though, is going to be where the magic happens. So I'm going to go here to Add Slide and go to Add Content. Under Content, you'll see this new field trip by 360 Cities. And we can travel the world here, so there are a lot of different locations that are already front-loaded and ready for you to go in and use if you wanted to do that. If we search for the Vatican, we can go to the Vatican and we can go to the inside. And you may remember a previous Friday in 5 when I actually demoed this quickly. So there's the Rome-Vatican spiral staircase. The difference being that we have these guys. So now we can actually get into sort of the virtual reality space. What does this look like? Well, to give you kind of a brief explanation, I'll double click here. Instead of doing this where we just use the mouse or the iPad to tilt it around and look, the VR kit actually splits this in half through the middle and creates an independent image for each eye. And then as you turn your head around with the phone, you can actually look around within the space. Again, it's really singularly aimed at a more immersive experience with the content, and that's it. The applications in your curriculum, of course, are up to you. You'd have to think about, how would this help enhance. But if I go in here, I can show you. So if you wanted to create sort of a series of field trips, we can add another slide, and you, the NearPod teacher, can progress students through this content. So again, I'll go back to Add Content, Field Trip. We'll add another space, and we'll just go out to Rome, and then we'll go into the museum here. So we say Done. Double click that to see what it's like, and you can see another interior space. It does lend itself in an interesting way to the interior spaces. It's really difficult, though, to show you the VR experience here. It is, quite frankly, an experience you have to experience for yourself. It can't be shown through a screenshot like this. So that is it. What App Wednesday? This is the virtual reality kit / 360 Cities through NearPod. If you have any questions about NearPod or VR kits or 360 Cities, of course, always email me and I'll be happy to give you a demo and set you up. All right. Happy Wednesday.